The Motorola Razr 2024 is a stunning blend of nostalgia and modern technology. Unboxing it reveals a sleek design with a foldable OLED display that feels great in your hand. Setting up is straightforward. Power it on, connect to Wi-Fi, and transfer data using the Motorola Migrate app or Google's backup feature. The customizable home screen allows you to add widgets for easy access to information. One standout feature is the external display, quick notifications and responses without opening the phone. The 50-megapixel camera captures stunning photos, enhanced by AI features and options like night mode and gesture selfies. With a robust 4200 mAh battery supporting 30W wired and 15W wireless charging, you can stay powered throughout the day. Explore settings to personalize your experience, using gestures for quick actions like activating Do Not Disturb mode. Google Assistant integration makes tasks easier with voice commands. For gamers, the device offers a dedicated gaming mode for optimal performance. Protect your investment with a stylish case and screen protector. Overall, the Razr 2024 combines classic design with cutting-edge features, making it a remarkable device for anyone looking to embrace the future of smartphones.